Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It hasn't been that long. I've been good. It's only been I think 2 weeks since my last video. If you haven't checked it out, please check out my last video. I think it was a SHEIN try-on haul. It's been getting a lot of love, but go check it out. It was an activewear video. So I was just trying on a few items. It was a very miniature try-on haul because I was just testing them, and there's going to be a bigger one coming up. So check out that video. But yeah, today what I'm going to be doing is a upart wig installation. For those of you that don't know what a upart wig is, the name upart literally comes from the shape of the parting. So the upart wig that I'm going to be using is a kinky coily 4C 18-inch. It is human hair, it's Remy hair, and it's from my brand at Kinks and Flicks. You can find me on Instagram at kinks_and_flicks, or you can email info@kinksandflicks.com for any inquiries or any questions on the products that I stock. So this wig, why is it called a upart? That's where I was. So it's called a upart wig because you see in the middle here there's a parting, and it is the shape of a U, and this is where you actually leave your hair out. So it's leave out with a wig, and then the rest of the wig just falls. As you can see, this wig has very tight coils and it resembles my own hair. Let me see if I can put them next to each other. Well, as far as possible, I think it resembles my real hair a lot. It is a 4C wig. So I'm going to be doing an installation, and then we'll see the final look, and you guys can rate it, check it out, and yeah. And I think to get started, let's just wash the wig. So one thing is about wigs and getting hair, even if it's from my own brand, just wash it before use, especially with the curly ones. It kind of loosens the curl or allows you to manipulate it to a texture or a shape that you'd rather have it in. So wash your wigs, girl. Yeah, so let's start with the wash, and then we'll prep this hair for you know, for it to sit under the wig, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so while we wait for the wig to dry, I'm going to show you how I'm going to sort this hair out for it to sit under the wig. I'm still trying to figure that out actually. And just a note, when you wash your wig, add your best conditioner. Treat that wig like it is your hair, because you want those tangles to, basically it is like your hair. So if you don't take care of it in terms of the wash or the process to actually prep it before you put it on, it will tangle and your hair will be a hot mess. Okay, so I want to leave out, this will be, I'm gonna have a middle part, and my U, this will be my U, so there, right, if that's clear, there. My hair might be a little dirty. I actually haven't washed it, and there's a reason for that, which I might share soon. So, okay, I'm gonna twist this part, the hair that I want to leave out, right? You can put it in a little bantu knot just to hold, if it holds. My hair never holds when I do this stuff on camera. And then we can also leave out a bit of hair in the sides, not too much, just so that when you put on your wig, it looks a bit more realistic. So you can leave some very little hair in the sides as well, and then the rest of it can go away. It's quite a lot. I think I'm gonna do two plaits if this hair can hold. Honestly, it's giving me, today it's not behaving, and it's like thicker than usual. Okay, so just 2 plaits. These should be fine. I mean, the wig isn't a straight flat wig, so these won't show. I remember there was a time I'll be putting on a straight wig, and because I was too lazy to actually go get the lines done, because I can't do them myself, I would do like 2 or 3 of these under a flat wig, and it would be so bumpy. But I'd just be like, well, it is what it is. Oopsie, almost took back the hair I'm leaving out. So that stays and this goes back, right? So let's do another one of those plaits. I mean, if you know how to do plaits, like lines going back, you can do that as well, but it's really not necessary, and you'll see why. With the U-part, I could actually just tie this hair back into a pony and it would also be fine. This is actually me just complicating things, but hey, and I think my hair is not in the state to be tied into a pony going to the back, so I'll just do 2 of these, and yeah, then we'll be good to go. Once the wig dries, we can sort that out. So there we go, there's plait number 2. Tuck it in there. Number 1's looking a bit bulky. Maybe let's do that again. So, okay, here we go. Let's just put it into a tighter plait. There we go. Yeah, this feels a bit more solid. Okay. And yeah, like I said, if you can't do plaits, do feel free to just tie your hair back. It really isn't that deep with a U-part wig. You can just tie a ponytail, a low ponytail, and it will still work. So there we go, not the neatest, but there's the hair. So we have our leave out in the sides. It's not equal, but yeah, here's our leave out in the sides, and then this is the one we'll have in the middle. What I can do as well is you can just add some conditioner to the part that you're going to leave out and twist it so that it gets more curly and actually you know, blends in better. So I think the wig is still drying up, so I'm going to use my leave-in, it's upside down, my Cantu leave-in shea butter, but you can use any leave-in conditioner. Try use a good one for this because you want your leave out to be good. Actually, it would be great to wet the hair as well. I'm just thinking. Actually, let me do that. Let me get some water. Okay, so I came through with my, you know, my horse rider shampoo. I'm just gonna spray that a little, and then it's actually so thin. I'm gonna try put it into a little twist. Since it's thin, I'm gonna make it very loose because wow, this is a very small parting. But yeah, so these twists are gonna be nice and curly, and that will help with the blending. Let's do this side as well. Right. And some leave-in. And then twist. Then for the middle, this is going to be a parting, right? So you want to twist this very nicely. I think I'm going to do 4 so that it's a bit more curly. So let's do 1 there. Okay, let's spray the whole thing together. Simpler. There. This is detangler spray for those who haven't watched my other video, my wash day video. I'd suggest you go there as well. That was also a really I think it was a good video. There's a lot of love there as well, so please check it out. And there you see me using my horse products. Don't ask. Okay, so twist. style realistic. Let me go check if the wig is dried up. So what we're going to do is, I don't think I showed you, it's got clips around the U. So what we'll do is clip under this. So place the clips under there and under there, and then the rest of the wig sits there. And then this is your leave out, and this in the sides is just there to make it look a little realistic. But let me get the wig and then let me rather show you. Okay, so our wig is still a bit wet, but it's relatively dry. In fact, I would recommend you work with it while it's still a bit wet. Some go through it, detangle it with the detangler brush. I'm not too keen on that, but let's try. You can also add a bit of conditioner. So I'm going to take conditioner, rub it in my hands, and then just go over the wet wig with it. I think a lighter, more liquid conditioner would be better. This one is quite creamy and thick, but I think it's okay. Like I said, you treat this like your hair, right? So wash, condition, and then just, you can detangle. Let's try. Okay, there we go. That's if you also want to comb out the curls in order for it to match your curl pattern a bit more, but I think it matches pretty well, so I'm not going to comb that much. But if you want, you can go through with a brush like that and just start from the bottom just like you would with your hair, right? And yeah, but just be really careful. It's literally like your 4C hair, so there will be some a bit of hair loss, a bit of shedding, let me say, not hair loss. This is a wig, and yeah, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is cut the strap. So let me just show you the inside of the wig, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that you use to actually put the wig onto, to secure your wig around the leave out. So let's cut these straps. It's literally 2 elastic straps, so we can just go, just be careful, look under there like that, and we do the same on this side, and then same thing for the one at the back. So go snip. I don't know if it's that visible on your end. I'm just holding it close to me so I'm careful. And now we have an open U. So look at the wig now. So it sits like that. Now we're gonna put it on. It's also got like adjustable straps at the back if you want to adjust the size, right? So there you go, you can do that. So I'm gonna put this on, right? There's my 2 twists, or my 4 twists, and then I'm gonna use the clips to actually secure the wig around the perimeter of my twists. So let's do that. Secure, secure, and secure. Right, so there we go. I don't know if you can already see how nicely this is coming through. So just ensure it's secure. Not sure if I'm happy with how secured it is here. Let's put it there. And some of these actually come with snap down clips to secure the wig, which is even better, but this works too. And then you can also take your straps, remember these straps, and secure your wig at the back. So I'm just doing that. Okay, that doesn't show, this hair is pretty big, but I'm securing at the back. There you go, it's nice and secure. Like, look, pretty secure on my head. So now what we're gonna do is, okay, let's just fluff it out, check the ends that are splitting, and then I'm gonna unravel these twists. I know I haven't had them in for long, what you can do is you can redo them overnight, but for this video I just want to show you what it looks like. So I've got some white residue from our Kantu leave-in conditioner, but it's all good. Here's my other twist. There it is, unravel. And now you want to blend. I don't even know if I need to take these out because they're hidden, but I will. I can see the hair color is a darker black than my own hair, but it's not too different, so I think we're good. So there you see this leave out in the side, unraveled it there for a more realistic look. And now I'm just trying to blend my own hair into the wig. In fact, what you could do is twist it, braid it into twists along with the wig, and that also helps with blending, but I'm not going to do that now. Maybe I'll do that tonight as I sleep. Oh yeah, and just push some of that back to cover the U. And okay, so I've brushed my hair down to just blend it a bit more with the hair, and I think it looks good. I mean, obviously if your hair is a bit short in the front, it might be more difficult to blend, but you can add some styling gel as well to give it that sleeked parting look, and then bigger curls at the back. And actually this hair is much bigger, it's just that it's still wet, so it's sitting a little smaller. So I think I'm gonna come back when it's fully dry just to show you the full look. But so far in progress, as it's drying up, I think it looks really good. I'm liking it, I really do. I don't know what you think. And look at that, can you even tell that this is a wig? Because look at the sides there with that leave out we had in there as well. You can't really tell. And you could style it, tie it up, have a half up, half down look. So yeah, let me come back in like a few minutes, about 15 to 20 minutes when this is fully dry, just to show you the final look. Okay, so hair's dried up. As you can see, there's lots more volume now, and look how realistic this looks, honestly. Like, the parting obviously just makes it look so much more real. No one would even think this was a wig. And in terms of fullness, let me try turn around here. That's what it looks like. It's very secure and firm, and you can shave, it's not gonna fall off. So the clips are quite secure. Just messed it up a little bit there with the shaking, but yeah, the clips are quite secure, and it's a yes from me. So I'm going to be launching these on Kinks and Flicks in the next 2 weeks. They're going to be in sale for in South Africa, Zambia and Botswana, and for international shipping, I haven't yet had any international clients, but that can be arranged. I'll just need to check the shipping fee for you. In terms of pricing for these wigs and all of that, you can find it on the Instagram page, which I said before is at kinks_and_flicks. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you soon.